Only 4 simple ingredients needed to make these superbly rich, tender, fluffy 7-Up biscuits. One bite and you'll be hooked. You'll start by adding a 1/4 cup of butter to a 9-inch square baking pan and placing it in a 450-degree oven to melt. Next, mix together 2 cups of Bisquick and a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Then add a 1/2 cup of 7-Up and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and stir just until mixed. Turn dough out onto a lightly floured surface and pat into a 9-inch square. Carefully transfer the dough to the pan with the melted butter. Bake in a 450-degree oven for 8 to 12 minutes and then cut into squares. Super easy and delicious biscuits with a minimal amount of effort. In addition to 7-Up, both ginger ale and Sprite work for this recipe. I hope you get to try these homemade biscuits soon. Enjoy!